This shows how much of your life you have left. 80 rows of 12 LEDs, each LED represents 1 month. I didn't mention this part. None of the LEDs turn off by themselves. You have to turn each one off yourself by drilling through it in a way that makes it irreversible. Like light. I'm 28 years old, so I already drilled through 28 rows and I'm on 29th row. It's been hanging in my workshop for about 8 months now. Yeah, and it's terrifying, and also it reminds me that you should work harder. It's not don't waste time, move your lazy ass, and yeah, that's terrifying. It just, yeah.